Go in.
Wow. Look what you got. What do you think, buddy? What do you think? Go see it.
Yeah.
Come on. Look.
Go ahead. Go look around. Go check it out.
Look at Sky, Jayden.
Wow.
A tank?
It's an anchor.
The anchor.
Jayden, here. Let me help you get in. Watch.
Watch.
Watch. Yes, that little. Look at that. Climb up in there.
Wow.
You can climb up the stairs if you want. You want to climb up in the back?
Look how cool that is.
You bring it like this. Wow.
This is so beautiful. What's this?
That's a drawer to keep all your secret stuff. Sky, look at Jayden's pirate. Look at his treasure chest right there. Look at the treasure chest.
And tell her to look up. Look up, Sky.
Look up at the stars.
You got a little chalkboard too.
Daddy, I'm going to climb up the ladder. I want to climb up.
You want to climb up the ladder?
Look there.
Come on.
Wow.
Let's see you get up there. Can you get up there all by yourself?
Yeah.
Is this great, Sky?
Yeah, this is awesome.
Sky, is this awesome?
Yeah. What is this?
Wow.
Look at you, honey. Perfect.
Look at my boy, Jayden. Are you a pirate? Jayden.
Down.
You want to get down?
Yeah.
Oh, he's steering. Look at him steering his pirate ship.
Mom. You want to get down? Guy. That's my parachute.
Is that great?
You can touch that the room, okay? Touch that. You can touch that.
What do you think, Jayden? You love it?
Yeah.
Is this an awesome boat?